Hands, the essential human tool, quicker than the eye, capable of incredible things. Every Surya rug is completed by dozens of human hands. They are the most beautiful, intricate rugs in the world. They come from the hands and heart of Surya people. Northeast India, the sacred Ganges River, a place that rings with the human spirit, where timeless art and craftsmanship still thrive. Here, few depend on high technology. This is where Surya rugs are born. The designers use computers, but each craftsman relies on tools from an earlier age. Patterns are traced and colored by hand. More than 3,000 shades of color are available. Infinite combinations are possible. Orders come from every corner of the world. These are recipe cards, hand-coded guides to rug making. Each is a unique combination of size, color, and pattern. As bales of raw wool arrive, there is no hint of the transformation to come. Before production, the painstaking search for imperfections goes one handful at a time. Wool is dyed in one of more than 3,000 colors. In the rainy season, Surya uses a drying chamber. Otherwise, the product dries under the sun. Spinners make the dyed wool ready for weaving. Here, too, skilled hands count for everything. The most sophisticated machines are old bicycle gear. Yarn spools are stacked and made ready. Referring to their pattern maps, the weavers go to work. For some rugs, the patterns are transferred onto a canvas using India ink. These rugs are hand-tufted with a swiftly moving tufting gun. A single error can mar the design. Accuracy is essential, but so is speed. Tufting a medium-sized rug takes about 1 week. Other rugs take shape on looms. The loom runs on people power. Teams must move in practiced harmony, sliding rods into place, weaving the yarn around them, slicing the loops with razors to create the rug pile. Hand knotting is the ultimate in Surya craftsmanship. Accurate transfer of the pattern from paper to wool is completely dependent on the knotter's skilled eye. Through a cotton scrim, the knotter reads the pattern, checks its colors, and works at a speed the camera can scarcely capture. Every square represents a knot. With every second, a new knot is tied, each made snug with the chura, half mallet, half knife. For a team of 3, 1 new inch of rug is a good day's work. With this technique, a 5 by 8 foot rug can take 6 months. Larger projects take years. Just one error would be costly indeed. But there are none. These hands, these eyes, ensure Surya quality. Texture and layers are cut into Surya rugs by hand. High technology here is sharp scissors. Washing removes excess fibers. This too is done by hand using clean well water. Even scraping is high art. Too shallow an angle and excess fibers stay embedded. Too acute and months of work can be damaged. In the villages around Ugapur, Surya rug making is a way of life. Surya wages support thousands of families in the region. Like fields of crops viewed from the air, nearly completed rugs dry under the Indian sun. Later they will be stretched to original size and shape, and properly edged and finished. Only when the rugs are shipped to customers around the world does Surya finally require modern technology, diesel trucks. The trucks slip away from the factory unnoticed by most Surya people. They are at work on new creations which will be shipped in months or years to New York, Paris, Tokyo, worlds away from Udaipur and the Ganges. Few Surya people will ever travel that way themselves, but every Surya rug is a personal message. A message that tells the world quality matters most. This is our art and our passion. It has been that way at Surya since 1976, and it will stay that way. Surya rugs are more than beautiful. To all who acquire one, a Surya rug proves the power of the world's most advanced machine, the gifted, expert human hand.